Please, before you do anything with your collections, listen to this. I have literally been there. I've had bad credit in the past. I've had collections. I've tried settling with them. You know, these shady companies, these third parties, it's horrible. Once you have a debt and it's sold to a collection company, which they get for pennies on the dollar, by the way, you no longer owe that debt. We know the laws that protect you as a consumer. We know your rights, and we can help you get those things resolved, aka getting them removed off of your credit report. So please, I would rather you spend money on your financial future investing than spending money on those collections. It doesn't help. Even if you pay them off, it still shows derogatory, and it doesn't remove it off your credit. So please call us, we can help you.